Hey everyone, in this video I'll show you how to make a public profile on Snapchat. So I have the Snapchat application installed on my phone right here. When I open it, you need to go to the icon here at the top left, your profile icon, tap on it, and then scroll down and you should see a section called Add to Spotlight right here. If you tap on it and then snap a picture, tap on Send to at the bottom right, and now choose My Story Public from the top menu here, Stories. So if I choose it, and now continue, okay, it is sent. And once you do so, you should see at the top here under your username, you should see Public Profile. If you tap on it, and this way you have successfully created your public profile. Now you can add snaps, you can see the spotlights, insights, and everything. So as you can see here, I have only one recent story, public story that I added, but now anything I add will be added to my public profile.